welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laurelyn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. We're working on Judy Patterson's charity quilt she mailed us. First, I want to get the thread. It's called Haze. Isn't that pretty? It's like a purple and blue, and it looks really nice on this creamy background here, or the backing. So it's really going to kind of stand out as some swirly art piece. All right, so we're just going to put that because my spare bobbin. I may need it because I didn't check before we started. So I've already started some, and I'm just doing like a little, one of my favorite things. I like doing the swirl. So, and I really, really love this quilt and the mix, or the quilt top, and the mix of all the fabrics and the patterns and everything else that Judy did. So thank you very, very much, Judy. Hopefully I do it justice for you. So, and I love all the piecing and the little different colors, and you know, and she's got zigzagging going on for applique, and there's this cute little poem going on. I wish I could read the whole thing. All right, so I've got it 12 stitches per inch, and of course the very pretty glide haze thread, and I have a nice cream with some, I don't know, I guess it's shiny bits of a pattern on there. It's quite pretty. Anyways, it's a nice big roll that Pop got, so it's one I use for charity. All right, well, I haven't used it yet. I just opened it up, so. All right, so I'm just filling it, okay? I try not to go too fast. It's going way crazy earlier. And I know you've probably seen me do it 100 times, but it's one of my favorites, and I want to do my favorite on Judy's quilt. And I'm just filling it in. Big circles. Kind of got S curves, you know. They got S's. They're going sideways. They're going on an angle. They're mixing. They're matching. Sometimes I'm hopping back. It's whatever I want to do. I thought it'd give a nice opportunity for everybody to see all the pretty little fabrics that she put in here. And I really like this idea of the strip piecing that she had going on. I'm like, I think I can see a little quick weekend project on that sort. I'm sorry. I'm trying not to go too fast. Love that little circle blue with the dark blue circle in the center. I like that fabric. That's really pretty. There was some at the top that was very matchy-matchy to that. So, very cute. And of course, you're doing big ones and you're doing small ones. You're just filling it in. This is very easy to do on your domestic machine as well. Means a place, and then everywhere I look. I'm thinking it's probably pretty cool. There's more of the poem down on one of the other blocks, but it's like, I gotta read it all. What does it say? Yeah, I love these little florals here. The pinks and the green is so pretty. You could see a whole quilt done in that. So we've been working on, Sunday was our first day with the double wedding ring for my scrappy quilt collection. We've done quite a few so far. We've done red, pink, green, blue, orange and yellow got together. Well, pink and brown were kind of together, but orange and yellow, yeah, orange and yellow were definitely together. And then we just finished a purple Lone Star, and we have just started on the scrappy double wedding ring. So it's been quite a adventure with all the colors this year, and I'm very excited to continue working on it on our live streams on Sundays at 3 p.m. Eastern. So please join us there if you haven't had a chance to yet. You can always watch the replay afterwards. We usually go 2 hours plus. It goes by really fast, so like for me it really does. Chatting with everybody, getting to know everybody. So, but I really do like how the double wedding ring is actually coming along. So, and I'm hoping Pop's godparents like it too. Whatever, I get it done. I'm just working my way back and forth throughout this quilt top, making sure I'm getting everything done. I'm not trying to go too densely, but I am trying to make sure I'm getting everything covered. And I do want to make some sort of a pretty neat pattern on the underside, like for the backing. Love the tractors. Look at that John Deere. Woohoo! Love that John Deere. We got ourselves a John Deere. It's a little one, but it does the job. You're just filling it all back in. Working your way. I say go big, go small. Do echoes, do hooks, do swirls. You know, when it's all stitched up, it's going to look beautiful. I'll just keep working my way. So hopefully everybody's having a fantastic Wednesday. The weather has been excellent for plants. So it was raining Tuesday. Monday was beautiful. And of course it was Victoria Day here, Canadian holiday. And yeah, we got our plants are all looking lovely. So should be the next couple of days of bright and sun and a little bit of cloud cover, and they should grow quite fast. Hopefully none have too much of a, transplant shock? Yeah. We had a couple of beans that just didn't like coming up from the, underneath from the grow lights. And we're like, oh, alrighty. Well, why not? But so far, it's looking good. Oh, so I'll just keep filling in until I get to the end of this row here. And hopefully, Judy likes how we did her quilt. Oops. Oh. Here, let's hold that down. Obviously, that was the seam that got missed, but we can easily fix that. Or at least make sure we're coming over, and I can do some tack stitches afterwards. It happens. I get it on customer quilts all the time, missed a seam. And you know what? I've done it myself. I've missed seams on my own in my own quilts. And I've been like, what? And I've had to do a little whip stitching with the needle and thread, or if worse came to worse, I just stitched it down with Walt. Not to worry, it happens. It's sad is when Walt catches it, and he does not like that. So I do try to check over the quilts, especially when the machine's doing it. I'm going to go and fill in this little space here. Like I said, it doesn't all have to be crowded. We have some nice soft sections. Sorry, I went fast again. I apologize. But just get into the groove, man. Just get into the groove. I like a little car fabric. I love the car fabric. I think she may have sent me some, but it had a lot of black and white in it, so I didn't want to put it in with the double wedding ring quilt, because I was trying to just go colors and tan, and leaving the black and white and stuff for another quilt. We are going to do a black and white quilt, and I think I have decided on Jacob's Ladder. I think it would look lovely in black and white. So of course that's a nice, a good old classic. And I think that would look really nice. And then I have plans to do like gray. There's so many different shades of gray out there. You can make just a gray quilt. And I've only discovered that because I was busting my scraps to, I'm like, I have to use this stash somehow. It's just going to keep growing if I don't use it. So that's where the scrappy adventure came from. All right, so we'll just leave it there. Okay. And that's how I'm filling it up. So thank you very, very much, Judy. I mean, there's like cows and dogs and owls and everything and hot air balloons and it's beautiful. So thank you very, very much, Judy. Big hugs from us at the Mama Pop Quilt Shop for your big, big donation to charity. And I hope you like how we quilted it up, okay? So have a great Wednesday, everybody. And we'll see you on Weekend Project. Bye.